The moment you clear the noise, the decisions become easier, the relationship becomes healthier, and the path becomes undeniable. Clarity starts from within. When you clear your mental clutter and silence the noise, decision making becomes sharper, relationships become more authentic, and opportunities reveal themselves naturally. Our outer results are a reflection of our inner world. Investing in mental and emotional clarity truly pays. That said, as you already know, my name is Betty BELLOR, and I am rooting for you because I truly, truly love you.